next screen is the data screen. This is everything that shows on here is all the PTs are your pressure transducers. The main is, remember I told you PT1 will always be the main. So when you want to know the pressure for your main, you plug in PT1 hose into and it'll read in main. Okay, cooler will be measured on the other side. And then you have flow, which is how fast it's going through the cooler.
The back?
Yeah, from out of the transmission to back into the transmission. Okay, the temperature is the ambient temperature in the room. Right now, that's what the temperature is. So the TOT, that's the transmission output temperature. That's basically the temperature of the transmission. Not all of the transmission wires that we sell have the ability to measure the temperature of the transmission. Some do and some don't. The rest of the pressure transducers, those are wherever you decide you want to put them on the transmission, wherever they're required. That's up to you. So if you have 3 places where you can measure the pressure and you want to hook up 5, 6, and 7, that's where they'll read. Okay. So the TIS, ISS, and TOS, those are all speed sensor locations. So if you have an external speed sensor, you can wire those up. However, because we have the input left and right, you won't need those. We can hook them up later on and send an instructional on how to do that. But for now, the final tab down here is test profile. So everything that we did so far, I selected that I selected the 4L60E, the motor. We played with it, turned it on and off. Everything is, this is the system log. It records everything that we did. Right. So the next thing is a shift test. Select this button. It brings you back to this screen. It automatically brings you back here. You can always go to the other ones to look. So in a shift test, this now lit up, right? So you can select here to go up to first, second, and as you do that, these will move, see? So third gear, these 2 are off, and that one's at 30%. When I go back down to second gear, that one's on, and that's still at 30%. So then I go back down to first. Okay, so back to this screen. On this button is Otto Cycle. Okay, it will, if you click that and you tell it how long, let's say put 10 seconds, it will shift 1 through 4 and then go back down in 10 seconds and then continue to do it. It will do it until you tell it to stop. Sorry, it will do it, but it'll do it in 10 seconds.